Hello everyone, I am Sunita Rawat, Faculty of Computer Science. I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of SRN International School. In this video, I am going to discuss the topic Introduction to MySQL. The topic will be covered in this video are Introduction to MySQL, Features of MySQL, Introduction to Database Management System, Data Types, Constraints. MySQL is an open source RDBMS, that is Relational Database Management System, that uses structured query language. MySQL works in client-server or embedded systems. It consists multi-threaded SQL server that support different backends, several different client programs and libraries. Features of MySQL. It is available free of cost, easy to learn and use, high security and provides many data types. It supports standard-based SQL, handles large database. It, its processing is very fast and easy installation. Database management system. Database is a collection of interrelated data which helps in efficient retrieval, insertion and deletion of data from database and organizes the data in the form of tables and views. For example, university database organizes the data about students, faculty and admin staff. Relational database is a collection of data items with predefined relationship between them. Advantages of database management system. First, reduce data redundancy, that is duplication of data. Second, control data inconsistency to a large extent. Third, database facilitates sharing of data. Fourth, enforce standards. Fifth, centralized databases can ensure data security. For database management system, there are special kind of programming language called query language that can be used to access data from the database. SQL is case insensitive, that means name and name. Name is in lowercase and name is in uppercase are same for SQL. Always ends SQL statement with a semicolon, that is it terminates the statement. Common use data type. First, char, second, varchar, third, float. Data type indicate the type of data value that an attribute can have. The data type of an attribute decides the operation that can be performed on the data of the attribute. For example, arithmetic operations can be performed on numeric data but not on character data. Constants are not null, unique, default, primary key, foreign key. Not null ensure that a column cannot have null values, where null means missing or unknown or not applicable value. Unique ensure that all the value in a column are distinct or unique. Default. A default value specified for the column if no value is provided. Primary key, the column which can uniquely identify each row or record in a table. Foreign key, the column which refers to a value of an attribute defined as primary key in another table. I hope you must understood the topic. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.